This is Michael Nelms at Hayward Allen Motor Company in Athens, Georgia, here to preview a 2014 Chevy Equinox that just arrived at our dealership. This vehicle is very, very clean inside and out. We have serviced it fully. We have spent about $650 on it, including 2 brand new tires to match the other Goodyears that were on it. We've done oil and filter change. The cabin air filter has been replaced. It's got new wiper blades on it. It's just needing a new home. This vehicle is in very, very good shape. Original floor mats are here. That says a lot. Back seat doesn't really look like it's ever been sat in. If you're looking for a really nice, dependable car for the family, great gas mileage, a lot of room, this would be a nice one to consider. Got your full spare tire, jacks, and everything's ready to go. Plenty of room in the back seat for traveling. Hold a lot of luggage. Second row seating is adjustable. If you have long-legged passengers, please give me a call at 706-621-8518 for more information. We can get you pre-approved online. We've got several financing options available. Complete Carfax history is available. Call me soon, 706-621-8518.